welcome back to my channel. My name is Missy and today I'm going to be creating a cut crease makeup look. It's going to be more like on a natural side, like a brownish chocolate sort of look. That's what I'm going for. I'm just going to start by applying concealer all over the lid. I'm using a really light shade of concealer just so the eyeshadow can really pop. I'm using NYX HD concealer. This is the Morphe 350M palette. I'm gonna go in with this brown. I'm gonna apply that just towards the end, the outer corner of my lid. Doing the same on this side. I'm just packing it in. I'm gonna go in with that one. I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner. And I'm gonna take it out just a little bit as well. And the same on this side. I'm gonna go back with the brown. I'm gonna take this shade. It's Bossy from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. I'm going to blend that in my crease. I'm just gonna use it to blend out the colors. So now I'm gonna cut the crease using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer portion. I'm gonna apply it, the primer portion, just a little bit on my eyelid. And then I'm going to look up. That's how I know where I'm gonna cut. So I'm just gonna carefully trace the line. I'm just fading it out at the end so it's not too sharp. So let's fade it out. Right, so I'm going to apply Desert Sand from the Desert Dusk palette. It's still Huda Beauty. So I'm just gonna press that in. Okay, so I'm gonna use an angle brush to clean it up, to clean up the cut. Just a little, especially this side. So I'm gonna blend it out. So I'm going to line using Inglot Gel Liner N77. I'm gonna be using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. It's a mattifying primer, so I'll probably just use it on the areas where I get oily the most. I'm gonna go in with the Angel Veil primer. I'm gonna put that all over. And I will be color correcting just a little bit. Just gonna blend it out. I'll be using Kat Von D foundation in Deep Neutral 78. This foundation is a bit light, too light for me, but I still use it sometimes. I use it like that. Now I'm gonna move to this side and do the same. I'm going to be using NYX HD Concealer in number 7 to highlight. Don't even know if there's anything left in there. Oh, sugar. I'm actually serious in this video today. Yeah, serious. I'm not messing around today. Trying to do I'm going to contour using NYX Concealer in 9.5. I'm using Laura Mercier in translucent powder and the dip medium. I'm using a mixture of both. I'm going to use that to set. I like to set my brows as well, so I'm going to do that. I'm using the Laura Mercier in medium dip to do the reverse contour. I'm trying to blend it in so there is no harsh lines. I'm using Black Hop contour powder. I think this is number 5. I'll be using Black Hop two-way cake to dust off and blend out the highlights. So now I'm going to be doing my waterline. I'm not even sure what color I want to use, but I'm trying to do like a little bit of pop, like a pop of color type of thing. The shade I used for that is Saffron. I'll be using the Inglot gel liner to line my waterline. I don't really like to do this because it's always very hard to get it out, but I have to do it to get the look. It's just crazy. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm thinking glossy nude or chocolate matte chocolate. I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer first. I'm gonna be using Dose of Color in Chocolate Wasted. I'm gonna do that, use that around my lips. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream right in the middle. So that's it for this video, guys. I also made and dyed this wig myself, so if you are interested in getting something done, you can email me. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me in my next video. Bye, guys. Steady, I run from say time now money. Now within the talk, each other pay my rent, move